Have you ever wondered why the sound and sight of rain can be so comforting? Many people feel calm when it rains, but this reaction has a psychological basis. Rain creates a consistent, gentle noise that masks other distracting sounds, promoting relaxation. Additionally, the subdued light during rainy weather encourages a slower pace and introspection. Psychologists suggest that this environment reduces stress and fosters a sense of safety, similar to a calming white noise effect. Moreover, exposure to rain can trigger positive memories and emotional associations, enhancing mood subtly. These combined effects explain why rainy days often bring comfort and mental clarity. So next time it rains, notice how your mind responds to this quiet, natural rhythm.